Hello, this is Masatoshi speaking, and today I want to walk through how Kaffa Extension and its sharing platform works. So I'm on this Medium platform, and let's say now I want to find the article to read, and I'm gonna find some interesting one. Maybe this one, how to overcome writing stagnation by designing your own 30-day challenge. And here we are on this article, and let's say you start reading normally, going down. As a committed writer, you probably know that creative growth rarely feels linear. If you see this on the right side, you see this Kaffa icon, and if you click on it, you see the side panel and this little stats and also the article that are being read. Um, and these are the ones that I have read today mostly. So after about 30 seconds, it gets tracked here. But let's try another article. So this is you see this. Let's save. You can also click the and you can open this side panel. Only you on the website. It doesn't work well on a brand new tab. But yeah, let's say this Embrace Your Stress article, and you decide to read on it. And yeah, again, after about 10 seconds into reading, it shows up. But whatever you decide, maybe you don't want to track this. Maybe you don't want your friends or anybody to think that you're being stressed out. So you can cancel it anytime by clicking this button, and it's canceled, like you can see here. You can also click this toggle button, and it will I will disable your tracking for about 24 hours. So that is how you use Kaffa extension to track articles. Okay, now let's go to Kaffa app, and you can go there by clicking this button. And give it 3 seconds. This is the analytics of my timeline. So this tells how much I've read. So total I read 2,078 articles. That's about 8 months. And this is the weekly reading. You can also change the timeline range, and you see these like no reading days. It could be Sunday. I try to spend my day on the outside in the nature maybe. And this is a little nice word cloud, so you can click on. Let's see if there is something interesting. France. Yeah, so I was reading about France, and you can see all these articles that are related that have terms France in it. So now let's go to my profile page, and this is where I can see all the articles that I have read. And you can also change the articles by category. These are the JavaScript and startups and film. And yeah. So these are the minutes that I've read, and if you read more than 1 minute, it shows the fire icon to quickly show you which articles you have spent the most. And on the left side panel, these are the categorical breakdown of all the articles that I've read. I have a software engineering background, so JavaScript and startup and marketing. That's what I read the most. So that is how you use Kaffa app. Simple. If you have any question, you can click on this icon and talk to me anytime. Okay? Thank you.